Hi everyone, my name is Nung. Today I'm very happy to tell you about my family. I come from a big family. There are 6 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sisters and me. My father's name is Phong. He's 58 years old. He's a cook and he was in a restaurant. He's a kind and intelligent. He's at home now. My mother's name is Thuy. She's 54 years old. She's a housewife and she was at home. She's really going and beautiful. She's at home now. My first sister's name is Oanh. She is 35 years old. She is married and has 2 children. She's a freelancer and she doesn't work for any companies. She's at home now. She is friendly and confident. My second sister's name is Quynh. She is 30 years old. She's a worker and she was in a factory. She is married and has 1 child. She is humorous and exciting. She's at home now. My third sister's name is Ngo. She's 29 years old. She is married and has 2 children. She is a housewife and she was at home. She is kind and generous. She's at home now. And my name is Nung. I'm 19 years old. I'm not married. I'm a student and I'm studying at Hartford University. I'm very hardworking and kind. I'm in class now. Thank you for listening.